I'm back, and I have a filament here, or gum wrapper, that's a lot more narrow than the other one that I used. The other one that I used, you can see that it started to burn here, but there just wasn't enough power in the AA battery to light that, so I'm hoping that this one here with the smaller area is going to ignite. So let's go over here. Whoops, a little bit of wind. Actually, let's wait for this wind to die in just a tad. I'm going to do this if it's going to be windy. Alright, so I got that. Bottom one's good to go, and all I have to do is touch to the top one, and we should be rocking and rolling. So let's see here. Since we're going to get close, let's see if I can do it without gloves. Yep, it's going in the middle there. Let's see if it lights. It lit! Sweet! That actually works. Ha! That's amazing. Well, that's a great way to get a fire going if you have a battery on you and have some gum and you don't have a lighter or a striker to get a fire going. That's pretty impressive. So anyway, that's a neat little hack that I saw online and just wanted to share it with you guys. Make sure it's AA. I tried it last night with a AAA battery, and it wasn't enough power, so you need a AA at least. And just make sure to cut your filament from your gum wrapper. Make sure to cut it real narrow. That way the energy from the battery concentrates that little narrow area and then lights the backing of it on fire, which is paper. So pretty cool trick. Hope you guys enjoy it.